Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can restore text messages and call logs on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on accounts and backup. Next, tap on restore data from the Samsung Cloud section. In here, tap on a backup that you would like to restore it from. Then in here, I'm going to deselect all the items and simply just choose call logs and messages. Next, tap on the restore button at the bottom. In here, it will tell you how many call logs will be restored and how many text messages will be restored. Then tap on the restore button at the bottom. And now your phone will proceed to restore the call logs and text messages. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And you can check your status bar to see the restore progress on your device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.